Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Apple ID, password, and two-factor authentication. Do this now so the rest works smoothly. Install iCloud for Windows or on Mac OS, use Finder in Catalina or later, and sign in with your Apple ID. Once done, make sure your computer has stable Wi-Fi, power, and administrative permissions so transfers aren't interrupted. This prevents failed restores and partial downloads. Next, open the app or Finder and navigate directly to the iCloud Drive or Backups section to begin accessing your backup files. Once you're signed in, open iCloud Drive on Windows or Finder on Mac OS and locate the Backups entry under your device. This lists dated backups. Select the backup you need, then choose specific categories, photos, messages, contacts, or app files, so you don't download everything unnecessarily. Click Download or Export and pick a local folder. This writes files to your computer for easy access. While downloading, monitor progress and avoid disconnecting. If you need full device restore instead, follow the restore workflow in Finder or iTunes after backing up current data. After files finish downloading, verify they open and check timestamps to confirm integrity. This confirms a successful transfer. If items are missing, refresh the iCloud interface, sign out and back in, then retry the download. This resolves many sync glitches. Make sure your computer has enough disk space and the latest iCloud or OS updates when performing a full restore. One key troubleshooting tip: if restore stalls, toggle Wi-Fi and restart both devices, then resume. Intermittent network or outdated software is the most common.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.